Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic chapter 4 CQ1 and 2. Today we will discuss chapter 4 CQ1 and 2, and today's lecture number 6 SW number 4. Now let's start our class. This is chapter 4 work, power and energy, and we have already read out this chapter. Today we will solve CQ1 and 2 from exercise. CQ1, a boy of mass 40 kg and a young man of mass 60 kg start running from the ground floor and reach the rooftop at the same time. Both of them run with the same velocity of 30 meter per minute. Now question number A, what is power? Question number B, what do you mean by the word 50 joule? Question number C, find the kinetic energy of the young man. And question number D, explain with mathematical logic whether the power of both are equal or not. Now question number A, what is power? My dear students, we have already learned this definition. Again I am repeating this definition. What is power? Power means the rate of energy work done or energy transfer is called power. The rate of energy work done or energy transfer is called power. Now question number B, what do you mean by the work 50 joule? Work 50 joule means if a force of 50 joule is applied on an object and the object gets a displacement of 1 meter along the direction of the force, then the work done is said to be 50 joule. Now question number C, find the kinetic energy of the young man. My dear students, now we have to solve this question. We have to find out the kinetic energy of the young man. That means number C, given the mass of that young man, M equals to 60 kg. According to STEM, mass of the young man is 60 kg. Then the velocity, both of them ran with the same velocity of 30 meter per minute. That means the velocity of young man is 30 meter per minute. So we have to convert this minute into second. Okay, so we have to convert this meter per minute into meter per second. Then 30 divided by 60. Okay, 60 meter per second. That means 0.5 meter per second. The velocity is 0.5 meter per second. Now we have to find out the kinetic energy of young man. So kinetic energy Ke equals to what? Now find out, we know the formula of kinetic energy. Ke equals to half mv square. Okay, so put the value now. M means 60 kg into V means 0.5 whole square. Then by doing this calculation you will get 7.5 joule. The unit of kinetic energy is joule, so the answer will be 7.5 joule. Now we will solve question number D. Now we will solve question number D. Explain with mathematical logic whether the power of both are equal or not. My dear students, at first we have to find out the power of young man and the power of boy. Then easily we can find out whose power is equal or not. Now given, at first we will find out the power of boy. Then so the mass of the boy M equals to given 40 kg. Okay, 40 kg, and the velocity of boy also 30 meter per minute. And we have to convert this meter per minute into meter per second. That means it will be 0.5 meter per second. Okay, then we have to find out the power of that boy. So now power of boy, my dear students, again the velocity, we know the formula of velocity, v equals to displacement divided by time. We know that formula, velocity equals to displacement divided by time. So velocity h or s, h divided by time or s divided by time t. Okay. Now we know the formula of power, P equals to W divided by T. This is the formula of power, P equals to W divided by T. Then W means mgh. Again W equals to, another formula, W equals to mgh divided by T. Now we can write like this, mg into h divided by T. H divided by T, that means displacement divided by time, that means this is the velocity. Okay, so we can write mg into v. Now put the value, m means 40 into g means 9.8 meter per second square into v means 0.5. Okay, then do the calculation, it will be 196 watt. The unit of power is watt. Okay, so the power of boy is 196 watt. Now we will find the, again we will find out the power of boy, sorry, power of young man. So the power of young man will be, at first the mass of the young man is 60 kg and velocity 0.5 meter per second. So the power of young man, P equals to W by T. Again we can write W means mgh divided by T. Again we can write mg into h divided by T. H divided by T, that means this is V, velocity V. So now put the value, m means 60 into g means 9.8 into v means 0.5. So by doing this calculation we will get 294 watt. Okay, so the power of boy is 196 watt and the power of young man is 294 watt. That means from this above calculation we can say that the power of young man is greater than that boy. Okay, now we will solve this CQ2. See that CQ2, the stem is Jenny resides in the 5th floor of a building. The height of each stair is 20 centimeter. There are 22 stairs in each floor and Jenny needs 4 minutes time to reach the 5th floor. Sushmita requires 4.5 minutes to reach that 5th floor. It is to be mentioned that mass of Jenny and Sushmita are 64 kg and 75 kg respectively. Okay, now question number A, what is the main source of energy? Question number B, write two similarities between work and energy. Question number C, calculate the amount of work done by Jenny. Question number D, between Jenny and Sushmita, who has more power? Give reasons in favor of your answer. My dear students, question number A, what is the main source of energy? We know this is very easy answer. We know the main source of energy is sun. Question number B, write two similarities between work and energy. This is also very easy and we have already learnt this question answer. The similarities of work and energy is the dimension of work and energy is same. That means ml square per t square, and the dimension of energy also ml square per t square. The unit of both is unit of work and energy is joule, and the another similarities is both are scalar quantity. Now question number C, calculate the amount of work done by Jenny. Okay, now we will solve this question number C. Calculate the amount of work done by Jenny. That means write given the height of each stair. Here given the height of according to step. The height of each stair is 20 centimeter and there are 22 stairs. That means displacement by Jenny. We have to find out the displacement by Jenny. Suppose this is S1. Okay. S is displacement, then for Jenny, suppose this is S1. So, S1 displacement by Jenny, S1 equals to 4. My dear students, I am repeating, the building was the 5th floor. Jenny and Sushmita resides in the 5th floor building. That means 4, it will be 4 into 22. That means total stair and the height of the stair is 20. So, centimeter. So, 4 into 22 into 20 centimeter, that means 1760 centimeter. Now, we will convert this centimeter into meter. That means we have to divide by this one with 100. That means it will be 17.6 meter. Okay, now work done by we have to find out the work done by Jenny. My dear students, now work done by Jenny, that means the formula of work is W equals to mgs. Now the mass of Jenny is 64 kg into G means 9.8 meter per second square into S means the S1. That means S1 means 17.6 meter. So, it will be 11038.7 joule. My dear students, this is a big number. That's why we have to convert this joule into kilojoule. That means we have to divide with 1000. So, 11.04 kilojoule. Okay. Now, this is done. That means the amount of work done by Jenny is 11.04 kilojoule. Now, we will solve question number D. Between Jenny and Sushmita, who has more power? My dear students, this problem is similar as CQ1 number D. Okay, that means we have to find out the power of Jenny and then power of Sushmita. Now, my dear students, now we will solve D. We will find out the power of Jenny. So, the power of Jenny, we know the formula at first, power P equals to W divided by T. Okay, power of Jenny for W divided by T. So, suppose this one is P1. The power of Jenny is P1, and so we will write W1 divided by T1. Now, write W means the work, formula of work is mgs 1 divided by T1. Now, we will put this value. M means the mass of Jenny. Mass of Jenny is 64 into 9.8 meter per second square into S means from question number C, we can write this value from 11.0, it will be 17.6 meter. S1 means displacement by Jenny. It will be 17.6 meter. Okay, 17.6 divided by T1. So, T1 means time. Jenny, the height of each stair is 20 centimeter. There are 22 stairs in each floor, and Jenny needs 4 minutes. So, time for Jenny, time is 4 minutes. So, we will convert this minute into second. That means 4 into 60 second. Okay. So, 4 into 60, that means 240 second. So, we can write 240. My dear students, by doing this calculation, we will find out that 45.99. That means 45.99. So, we can write 46. And the unit of power is watt. Okay, unit of power is watt. So, the power of Jenny is 46 watt. Now, we will find out like this. Similarly, we will find out the power of Sushmita. So we will write now power of Sushmita, that means P2 equals to W2 divided by T2. Again we will write this same formula. W means mgs2 and T2, here T2 for Sushmita time is 4.5 minutes. So 4.5 minutes, we will convert this minute into second, that means 4.5 into 60 second. So 4.5 into 60, that means it will be 270 second. Now put this value. M means the mass of Sushmita. Mass of Sushmita is 75 kg. So 75 into 9.8 into S2. S2 that means displacement by Sushmita, that is same 17.6 and divided by T2. T2 means 270. My dear students, now we have to calculate this one. So it will be 47.911 and we can write this 48 watt. Okay, so the power of Sushmita is 48 and the power of Jenny is 46. That means by doing this above calculation, from this above calculation we can see that P2 greater than P1. That means the power of Sushmita greater than power of Jenny. So we can say that the power of Sushmita is more than the power of Jenny. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood this CQ, and your today's SW number is 4, and C and D do this as your SW. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic, that means this 2 CQ. Practice properly at home this 2 CQ. Submit SW regularly. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.